are the famous empanadas, a version, like a mini version that my mom did. So, do you have anything to say about this?
They are
It's good to try one?
excellent.
What's inside?
Meat.
Yeah.
Meat.
Which meat?
Yes.
Pork, beef.
No, beef.
Beef
Yeah.
with potato.
Oh, it has potato. Oh, there are different versions. And it has a little bit of
Comino.
onion.
Comino. How do you call comino? One.
Cumin.
Yeah,
Is it a
cumin.
spice?
Yeah. Off the record, she says they're not that good.
She always said.
No, but yeah, this time I said, you think they're, well, they're better though. So. But no, it's not
They're
that bad.
delicious.
They're better than the ones that we ate the other day. Yeah, much more. That was like
100 times.
Qué bueno que es este equipo, espectacular. No, yo sin pan. Sorry.
Ah, cierto. Toma. ¿No?
The chef.
You can continue with the empanadas.
Vos sos la
and
chef de
the
las
chorizo.
empanadas.
No, but las empanadas,
You don't have to keep
They
it.
were really good. They're really, really
I
good.
will make some better.
Another one.
We have another one.
These are all for you, huh?
No. These are pork chorizos. They told me to bring my elastic pants. And of course, Malbec. What else?
Cheers.
His is empty. His is always empty. I don't know why. We have to give him some more. Oops. Don't get excited. I have the sandwich in
From
my.
Mendoza, Elena.
The
From Mendoza. Saluti a tutti.
Salute with the chorizo.
Salute.
Cheers. So I'm here. Can you see me? Yeah.
Yep.
So we're here and we're gonna eat. This is
Morcilla.
morcilla, which is made from
Blood.
Which animal?
Pork.
Pork
blood.
And they're making me eat it raw, which is
You will love it.
not really cool. But anyway.
Don't think about it.
Tastes absolutely fine. It's a bit creamy.
Yes.
It's a bit.
No le gustó. You don't like it.
No, I like it. It just tastes. What's the spice? I don't know. There's a spice. What is the flavor inside?
I don't know. I don't know. Reese. ¿Cómo se llama la verdurita esa? Cibulet.
It's a bit sickening. Difficult to swallow.
No, you have to drink wine.
Drink wine. Okay, there's another one. I think I should have had that cooked.
Ale también la comió así. Ah, okay. Bueno,
But it's very good. Say goodbye to the key.